party educator and statesman. He sat on the second president of India from 1962 to 1967. He was born on September 5, 1888 in Tirthani. His birthday is September 5th.